anong special quality ni Director Net ang nagustuhan mo working with her?
She's very, her vibe is very light. Parang hindi siya yung kabaligtaran ng mainit ng ulo. Tapos yun nga, very, not only open, she actually encourages her actors to participate. Dun nga, pagdating sa scene, for example, she would tell, kunwari may scene kami with Jodie, and she'd tell me, your objective here is like this, how would you do it? And then we would make our suggestions, and then she would take it from there, and titimplahin na lang niya na, okay, bawas to, dagdag to, and stuff like that. So, it's very collaborative, and yun din naman siyempre yung totoong trabaho ng actors na gusto na nag-enjoy kami kasi naging part kami talaga nung nagkakaroon kami ng sariling interpretation of our characters, the characters that we are portraying. Not just yun nga, kung ano nasa script, susundan lang, kung kukopehin mo lang. Pero yun, nagkakaroon ng sariling buhay because of that.